Welcome, dear students. Today I am now taking a class accountancy in class 12, chapter Profit and Loss Appropriation Account. Now, previous class already discussed partners capital account, when capital fixed, fluctuating, what is the partnership deed, why, when partnership deed are silent, what is the reasons. Okay. Now, next problem, your NCERT books, page number 102, problem number 4, very important. Akriti and Bindu entered into partnership for making garment on 1st April 2006 without any partnership agreement. They introduced capital of rupees 5 lakh and rupees 3 lakh respectively on 1st October 2006. Akriti advanced rupees 20,000 by way of loan to the firm without any agreement as to interest. Akriti advanced rupees 20,000 by way of loan to the firm without any agreement as to interest. Profit and loss account for the year ended March 2007 showed profit of rupees 43,000. Partners could not agree upon the question of interest and the basis of division of profit. The partners could not agree upon the question of interest and the basis of division of profit. You are required to divide the profits between them, giving reasons for your answers. Profit giving them, giving reasons for your answer. So let us calculate the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. After that, you explain the reasons. Now, profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. Debit particulars rupees credit particulars. So by profit and loss account, by net profit already given in the problem, bracket profit and loss account, $43,000. Clear? Interest on loan, to interest on loan, interest on loan. Now loan is now taken. Akriti advance 20,000. Interest on loan for Akriti 20,000 into 6% in 6 by 12. 6% into 6 by 12. 600. Now 43,000. 43,000. Clear? 42,400 to divisible profit. Divisible profit transfer to divisible profit transfer to partners capital. Transfer to partners capital. Akriti and Bindu. Now profit is equally 21,200. 21,200. Okay. Here, what is the reasons? Now, reasons. Number 1, in the absence of any partnership deed, in the absence of, number 1, in the absence of any partnership deed, absence of any partnership deed, in the absence of any partnership deed, the provision of Partnership Act, the provision of the provision of Partnership Act 1932 is applied. According to the partners, no interest on capital not allowed for interest on capital, salary, commission, bonus. Okay. To the partners. Okay. Number 2. Share of profit distributed equally to the partners. If partnership deed is mentioned, it's silent. Number 3, the interest on capital, the interest on loan, interest on loan only allowed 6% per annum. When partnership deed is silent. Number 4, this is the interest on loan is charged. Interest on loan is charged on profit and loss account. It is shown on debit side of profit and loss account or credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. As you like. Okay. Now this is the reason. The reason number 1, in the absence of any partnership deed, the provision of the Partnership Act 1932 not allowed for interest on capital, salary, commission, bonus to the partners. Okay. Next, share of profit distributed equally. Share of profit always distributed to the equally. Why? Now partnership deed is silent. Next, the interest on loan only 6% per annum. Interest on loan only distributed 6% per annum. Okay. And next, interest on loan always charged to the profit and loss account or carry side the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. This is your statement. At first you calculate the profit and loss account and now calculate the profit 42,400. Now it is distributed to the equally Akriti and Bindu 21,200, 21,000. So what is the reasons? The reason is there. The partnership deed is silent. Now reason is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Clear? Thank you. This is my class. Okay.